Hey everyone, this is Rob from the One Shot Tech channel. Welcome back. You may be aware that in recent years, Huawei has branched away from just making smartphones and now actually make wearable devices. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a brand new watch which is called the HUAWEI WATCH GT3 series. To kick off this video, let's take a quick look at the major differences between the digital series Watch 3 and the new GT3 series. The Huawei Watch 3 series delivering incredible communication technology as well as an infinite array of Huawei features on their wearable products. Whereas the GT3 series is specifically focused on delivering advanced fitness and health functionality. Another highlight of the Watch GT3 series is its 2 weeks long battery life, which I think many consumers are going to be pretty excited about. Now, I'm very lucky because today I have 2 different variants of the Huawei Watch GT3. The first one is a 46mm version of the Watch GT3, which is ideal for men in terms of sizing, and it comes in a ultra sleek and stylish black packaging. The other variant I have right here is the 42mm variant, which is ideal for women being a little bit sleeker and more elegant. It also comes in an elegant white packaging as well. So guys, let's jump straight into this unboxing. The first one I'm going to take a look at is the 46mm variant in that really nice sleek black packaging. Oh, that is very nice. Let's have a look at what's in the box and find out what the new Watch GT3 will deliver to consumers. So first I'm just going to open up the box here with its very nice finish. Oh, look at that. First thing that you'll notice in the box is the Watch GT3. Also inside the box, you have got the charging input. You also have some additional manuals as well. Here we are. And we've also got the product here, which is very stylish. So this is the 46mm variant of the Watch GT3. And now I'm going to quickly look at what is in the box for the 42mm variant for women. Let's take a quick look. Quickly take off the packaging there. We're going to open it up. The packaging is very nice. It's actually even got a gold metallic finish to the text on the box itself, which is very stylish and very premium. All right, lifting that up, we've got the very beautiful 42mm variant of the Watch GT3. And again, with the charging cable and the manuals. And here you can see the beautiful 42mm variant of the Watch GT3 series. So the first one I'm going to start with is the Watch GT3 46mm, which is this one right here. This one continues the sporty design of previous models, whilst also exuding a very premium finish. The metallic body is encased in a seamless 3D glass cover with intricate textured gravings on the bezels to mark different times. Underneath the glass cover is a 1.3-inch AMOLED display, which features vivid colors, high contrasts, and a high resolution. There are also a bunch of intriguing watch faces to choose from, and you can even create and sync a custom watch face to the Huawei Watch GT3. An all-new AOD watch face has also been added to the display. To the right are 2 buttons. The top right button is something new. It allows you to turn the 3D rotating crown and get touch-based feedback. You can use it to magnify or shrink app icons or even adjust the volume level. I've come to love the tingling vibration that you get when you rotate this top right-hand button. It's actually really addictive and feels great. In addition, there is a button on the bottom right-hand corner of the watch frame, and this button can be customized for you to open up and access your frequently used applications on your Watch GT3. For example, you can initiate a workout session, heart rate, or even blood oxygen monitoring. The strap here is made of a skin-soothing and waterproof fluoroelastomer material, which is really nice to have on your wrist. Even better is the switching straps ability. It's so much easier than before. And this is great if you want to change to a different strap for a different look and feel or for a different environment. In fact, Huawei has already prepared a number of different straps, such as this really nice leather strap and this incredibly stylish metal strap, which you can easily pick up through any of the official Huawei channels. Here you can have a look at the leather strap, the metal chain strap, and another strap called the Muranas strap. Huawei Watch GT3 also features a new Harmony OS 2.1 system, as well as a very, very nice launcher experience, which is designed much like a chessboard, making it much easier for you to find the applications that you really, really love and making it easier for you to access those applications as well. The watch also adopts a first of its kind -1 screen design, which follows identical logic to the screen on your phone. This allows you to enjoy engaging phone-based interactions directly on your watch, bringing you into a new realm of wearable technology. Sensors on the back have been enhanced as well, from a 4 points to an all-new circular layout. This allows you to obtain ridiculously accurate heart rate readings. Overall, it's very, very clear that the Huawei Watch GT3 series retains the incredibly premium design that we've seen on previous Huawei wearable products. In addition, it also does get a little bit closer to the traditional watch with these new ornamentations, whilst maintaining that really nice luxurious smartwatch premium aura that we would expect to see from Huawei with their smart wearables. Now we've taken a look at the overall exterior of the Watch GT3 series, it's now time to take a look at the core new feature, the high-level fitness tracking. The Watch GT3 is well equipped to be your next best personal trainer. It supports 18 pro-level workout modes. It can record your step count and support a vast range of different workouts. There are also more than 100 supported fitness activities supported by the new Watch GT3. This means that your favorite sport or hobby is sure to be covered by at least one of the workout modes available on the new Watch GT3. All you have to do is touch your desired fitness mode, and the relevant metrics like time, heart rate, and distance will display on screen. There are even dedicated running plans available for you to choose from, and they range to support both beginner level workouts and fitness enthusiasts alike. Most people really struggle when it comes to designing and maintaining a really strong fitness regimen to help them lose weight, and that's where the incredible fitness training function on the Watch GT3 is going to help. The running trainer feature allows you to easily achieve your fitness goals by utilizing scientific data to provide you with not only your achievements, but also recommendations on how you can improve your approach to running. It's just like having a professional trainer, except this trainer, it's on your wrist. It's there to provide you with not only professional advice, but to help you to achieve those fitness goals. You can also visit the Huawei Health app to get a more detailed breakdown of your fitness data, including pace, calories, strides, and heart rate information. If you complete an outdoor workout, you'll be able to view your route within the app and generate a short video with background music, which can be shared then via your phone with ease. The new heart rate monitor and the blood oxygen tracker are ideal for helping you to improve your overall fitness when it comes to workouts. The heart rate sensor is capable of tracking your heart rate real time. In addition, it provides you with a curve that you can see on a very easy to view graph. You can also navigate on your phone to get a more detailed view of this graph. Blood oxygen monitoring is an indicator of respiratory and circulatory health. For example, if you are overworked, overstressed, always staying up late at nighttime, this can have a direct impact on your blood oxygen value, which is an overall indicator that undermines your immune system and your overall health. Therefore, it is incredibly important that you are aware of a low blood oxygen value as early as possible. Sleep is crucial to a healthy lifestyle. That's why the Watch GT3 series comes with automatic sleep detection and tracking, providing you with more information about your sleep and encouraging you to sleep a little bit more. There are even suggestions for how to improve sleep quality, such as white noise and soothing sounds, so that you can rest easy at all times. Now, let's move on to battery life. Let's take a look at the 46mm variant, which delivers an impressively amazing 2 weeks long battery life under typical usage scenarios. The 42mm delivers a still impressive 7 days worth of battery life under typical usage scenarios. Now, a watch that can seamlessly connect to your phone is a very important kind of watch, because that will allow you to answer calls directly from your watch. And that is exactly what the Watch GT3 does for you. Hey.
Hey, Rob, how are you?
I am fantastic. How are you?
I'm very fine. Bye-bye.
Bye. For example, imagine you are cooking up a storm in the kitchen and your smartphone is sitting on your living room table. Your smartphone gets a phone call and you want to answer that phone call without running away from the kitchen. Well, now you can. With the Watch GT3, all you have to do is tap the answer key on the watch face. Of course, it is mindful though that if you are going to answer a call using your Watch GT3, that you don't do that in a public space, because then everyone's going to hear your call. When you are busy and don't have time to reach for your phone, you can catch a glimpse at your watch to decide whether you want to answer the incoming call. You can also create shortcuts for favorite contacts that you like to call regularly, allowing you to easily call them directly from your Watch GT3 without having to really lift a finger. The Watch GT3 can also act as your own personal mini MP3 player, because it can store up to 500 tracks directly on the memory of the Watch GT3. In addition, it does have Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect the Watch GT3 to a pair of true wireless sound headphones and listen to your favorite tracks while running outside without even having to take your smartphone. Staying fit and healthy and keeping your body in a healthy shape is more difficult than ever, with increasing working demands and additional things that you need to take care of on a daily basis. So it's really important that you have something there to support you, right? That's where Huawei's Living Shamrock service comes into the picture. Clickable healthy living cards give you access to a wealth of suggested lifestyle practices, such as regular wake-up routines, breathing exercises, and hydration reminders. There are also a number of optional tasks. This vast array of incredibly awesome fitness and health functions and features and experiences will allow you to really live that fit and healthy lifestyle of your dreams. Now that we're near the end of the video, I'm going to answer a question that's probably on everybody's mind. If I purchase the Huawei Watch GT3, will my experience be compromised if I don't use a Huawei smartphone? I'm happy to say that the non-Huawei smartphone users can still enjoy the full Huawei Watch GT3 experience. The Watch GT3 is fully compatible with all mainstream brands of smartphones. Features like your battery life, your data tracking, your fitness experience will all work seamlessly regardless of whether you're using a Huawei smartphone or not. Advanced features like the running coach and the healthy lifestyle services can also work on non-Huawei smartphones. Next up on this channel, we'll be making a video about how the Watch GT3 can seamlessly connect to a multitude of different smartphone brands, and we're going to be showing you how easy and simple it is not only to connect, but how easy and simple it is to access all of the functions on the brand new Watch GT3 series. That video will be coming soon, so please make sure to check that out. To sum things up, the Huawei Watch GT3 is a smartwatch that dazzles at a glance and comes with a treasure trove of smart life features and interactions, making it a cutting-edge wearable in today's market. It's highly competitive in terms of price, and it does come with all of the favorite features and functions that you would expect to see from a top-tier smart wearable product from Huawei. It is particularly ideal for those fitness enthusiasts, the people that love to get outdoors, or even if you just want to have a slightly healthier lifestyle, the Watch GT3 is definitely a product I'm going to recommend for you. So before I leave you guys, I'm going to ask you one more question, but before I do that, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel, because we are constantly bringing you the latest information about amazing Huawei products on the One Shot Tech channel. The question that I have for you is, are you really excited about this new Huawei Watch GT3, the wearable that can do it all?